Hi everyone, it's Galbi here again. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Korean egg roll. We call it 계란말이. 계란 is egg, mari means roll. You need 5 eggs, 2 green onions, and 6 carrots. That's all you need. Pretty simple. So I'm gonna start with carrot. I'm going to chop them very finely. First I slice them into diagonal. We have to chop them really fine. Next, you're gonna chop the green onions in the same way. This way. And mix them. See, cutting is done. Crack the 5 eggs into the bowl here. Let's see if my head is stronger than the egg. Ouch! It hurts. And 5. Now you just need to stir them and mix them. And then put a little bit of salt, maybe a teaspoon. To mix the salt well until they dissolve. Then it's ready. If you guys have, rectangle frying pan, it's perfect for egg roll because it will make the shape of the egg and you just need to roll it. But I'm not a fancy guy, so I don't have rectangle frying pan. So I'm gonna use this. Now you just need to drop a teaspoon of vegetable oil. Make sure the oil is evenly coated. You just need to pour 1/3 of the egg. Before you pour it, make sure you mix them again because the vegetables are at the bottom. And then make the egg very thin. Roll it. Pour another 1/3 here. You kind of have to connect them. Oh, looking great. And then roll them again. If you like spicy food, chop the jalapeno finely just like them and then put it in here. It's gonna be tasty. Pour them all in here. So you kind of have to use 2 spatulas to shape them from the side. So make it straight, long rectangle. Turn it around a little bit and then cook side. Turn it off. Cool it down before you cut it, otherwise you are going to ruin the shape. Look at this. The egg roll is cooled down now, so I'm gonna slice them. I'm going to place them on a plate. So let me taste it. You see inside here? I'm gonna have some ketchup with it. It's very good. Try this very simple and easy to follow recipe at home. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give me a thumb and subscribe me and spread my channel to your friends. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.